everyone, this is my new house we just moved. I'm excited to show you it. And as you can see, this is the living room. This is our key for the house to open it. And let's move around. So right here, there's the dining room and kitchen. Right here is a closet. We can put all the plumbing stuff. And right here, you can see it has air conditioning for the bathroom and the light. You don't have to have the air conditioning on, but if you want to, you can. Now, this is going to be my room, as you can see. I have 2 lamps in there, a lamp right here, and 1 lamp right there. And I'm going to put like some of my stuff right here. And so also, let's move around to the next thing. And this will be my brother's room, but they left the bed. So my brother's going to put his bed downstairs, but this will be like his bedroom. So, and this will be my mom and dad's bedroom. They have a fan, as you can see. And there's a light switch for it. And here, they will have separate closets. So there will be a closet here, either for my mom or dad, which one they wanted. And this one has a closet too.